you find out who your ideal customer is? That's a great question. Now, what I do with organizations is, I got to share this story, by the way, because it kind of relates and brings everything together. I went into an organization and I asked them this very question. I said, who is your customer? And this is what the boss said to me. He said, I want to target everybody. And I'm like, everybody? He goes, everybody. And I go, do you have unlimited resources? Do you have so much money that you can market to everybody? He goes, no, I've got a very tight marketing budget. I said, okay, then it cannot be everybody. It needs to be very selected, very strategic. So how do you find out who your ideal customer is? So the first rule is you can't target everyone. You have to have focus. And when you're looking at focus, what I'm going to recommend you to do is very simple, right? Ask a sample of who you think is your ideal marketplace using a research tool. See if their responses, their needs matches the solution that your product or service is offering to them. If the need versus the offering matches, that's your ideal customer. Hey, if you have any more branding questions, please send me your questions to Jerome@jeromejoseph.com.